I got this seed starter kit from the 99-cent only store, and I'm gonna plant some seeds in here. Let me show you what's in here. I got this little tray to put some seeds in here. I got some little cups. You have some labels. And then some little tools. And it has a little tray for the bottom. And this is a little plastic lid for the top. So I'm going to plant a couple things in here. I'm going to just use this one right here. I got some cocoa core to start it off with. Oops. Making a little mess here. Alright, and then I'll poke a little hole where the seed goes. And I'm going to do spinach in one side. So spinach will go on this side. There goes the spinach. And on this side, I'm going to put tomato, the orange hat. Yep. Come on, seeds. Come on out. There's one. One seed. Got a couple more. Kind of hard to see. There goes another one. There's number 3. Okay. We'll see how that goes. I'll bring you back and show you daily what it does. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.